Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla.
Seng Voice of the People Party VPP mynta sngi khatsan tarik Rymphang Pyllait Paidbah eko vision document lani kimat Treikam bakani Seng ke kular ban wanrah ki jingkylla Ynda Wan Haka Bor Hadien kine ke Elekshon Arpulai kini kimat Treikam kilong ban wanrah haka jylla ya ke jingshngaiñ hala ke it ke singmana bat banyok ke kot ya ke jylla bakan kiew rasong bat bakan rat dyngkhong ya ke jingduk banyak nongialam kiba Rymphang baka jingsuk kan sinsar ya kalong bril man brio bat karoi kapar ban penek pensa ya keriti ke dustur bat kendau bat siap drink riulum bat kiwe yan ya kakot lim kodap la Pyllait Paidbah da presiden rang ba Seng Bah Ardent M Basaiawmoit Haka dan lang ukurtong ke North Shillong constituency Bah Adelbert Nongrum pat ringkat kiwe pat kidukon Jong Seng
that Meghalaya shall be the state that is territorially secure and economically developed where poverty is eliminated. Number 2, that the state shall have strong and decisive leadership. Number 3, that peace and public security prevails that will ensure all-round development of the state. Number 4, that politics in the state is based on strong pillars of substantive democracy with essential features of rule of law, transparency, accountability, responsibility, and equity. Number 5, that the resources of the state shall be distributed equitably based on social justice and shall be sustainably used. Number 6, that the traditional land ownership system shall be maintained and strengthened. Number 7, that the environment and the ecosystem shall be restored and preserved. Number 8, that Meghalaya shall be an investment-friendly state. Number 9, that the youth of the state shall be empowered morally and intellectually, capable of competing with the rest of the world. Number 10, that Meghalaya shall be the state where gender equity prevails. In short, the party envisions the Meghalaya that is restored with the old good values inherited from our forefathers, that is revived morally, intellectually, and materially, and transformed into a moral state for the rest of India. The VPP is strongly embedded in the principle of clean politics for achieving these noble objectives.
Ba ka ai ka ba police officer kala long ka jipan pau ju kala long in the open. Wan ada ngiem dawa ye ro. Ngatrai kumbangi ji ba ka judiciary kumbakalong haka jylla ka ji. Mo kala pek I ba kum kini kala pek perman I jinglong jiman hapok ka jylla ka ji. Bat nagalen ka ji hi so ba kay ke bangi don ba no kalong pan pen smuthu I ki pai ba ba kini ki jingja kin nang ye ja thì cầm đơn chính một bên chịu đau na kini ki sarkar ki berim ki belong involve don kam ban aila be yangi ngin le ka kam andangi wan ka bo yin ko ban dawa ngin dawa ay mata kani ka por ka riban panthmai ka sarkar tela dengi ki dawa na kini la ki pai ba kim su thu ki pen poi be ngi kini sa ka bor ka jing dawa jing kan long tang ka formality ngim ko abakani ka sim jam ka bangi ya mata kan dei tang ka jing pendap kom ringi kwa ban ling ba kani yinum ong bangin dawa nagani ka sarkar ringin ong yu pai ba ailat ini bangin sei madan ikini ki chakle amparo amdai tanga police department ki department ki bobon apo ka chala ka ju kelas ramban pau riko tete halor kata kan Nongrum kum ka party kum ki nongialam ki berage chikli ni la yo I ni ke bagi don haka chala ka ju Denmark kata ka ni sa Seng ni ka party ban pen khoi ma ya ka sanchar ka khada ka bangi yong in wanrah ka sanchar ka khada ko khoi ki bakum kine kim dei tang ko ke department lese ke ba u phila bi limba ka statement be jo bi way ni ki police officer kala dei tang hit just tips of an iceberg ka ba haman ki department ki bon ki kinum ki kanam ki ba shakhe Denmark kata kata ni kimi iti kani kan yarap lagi Paidbah hakan jylla ko jing bakin sotho bat bakin minjul ya ka jing phot ko jing bat penkhoi ya ka jylla ko jing ba sinchar ka khara ka khoi anum dan menu kiwe ki People Party ki bala ban ai ya ka jing sinchar khara ka khoi like na ka voice of the People Party ban ni kwaru ban ong hakmat lingba jo ki la ta ko bo ba kan debi tangga seng ba thamai anum dan ki wei pat ki seng ki ba ban penkhoi ya ki ne ki jingja ki ba isai le bat ki ba lam shi ki ba smo shirkai smo 3 ya ka tur ka daw jong ka jylla ka jing but ni kwar manong but the voice of the People Party is the only new regional political party in the state dan ki wei pat ki Paidbah kim dei ban sha lam bakla ki wei ki la ban gujri tan ka uniform ki priyo ki di chu reni hang ne de ka party ka pathamai idan ki priyo ki pathamai ka kom prakhat ka pathamai ba ki nongrim ki bas khan te kata ka bang idan ban ong na ka yang ki party
Ghalia ka jingshngaiñ haka imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansakan teu sha ka shiajar tingka shibenai kata ka long khat arjar tingka shisnem
Haka ne ka apnyo tarik Rymphang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC